Well, we made it to the car show. We got Frankie sitting here. We got Scrappy sitting over here. And so far, I would say that the response on Scrappy is a huge hit. They're absolutely speechless. It's fantastic. My wife and Bill over there are getting some breakfast. Hi, babe.
Bill, say hi.
Say hi, Bill. How's your nose doing? How's your nose doing today, Bill?
Nose is fine.
Nose is good?
Pinky's actually nose.
Bill got stung on the nose by a bee yesterday when we were doing getting Frankie ready. There was a bee's nest inside the seat, and we both about got murdered. But
I've never seen a hive of bumblebees.
all said and done now, we're all right.
No, we're not. Not this.
There's a little boy leaving right there. Just did an entire walk around of the Franken truck and Scrappy and critiqued them both rather heavily. Apparently, the Franken truck is too rusty, he said, and only has one horn. He didn't like the idea that it only had one horn. See him over there, little boy back there behind his dad there. That's awesome. He was checking everything out. He even got up inside Frankie and had to look. That was pretty cool. Pretty cool little show down here. We're having a pretty good time. Bill's hanging out nursing his sore nose. My wife over there hanging out. She's already passed out in that chair once. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
Having a pretty good time. This is Bill's little boy here.
Out of wood?
Yes. That is a plywood car.
That's pretty cool.
That's Steve's car.
Oh, is it?
Steve's not here.
That's a 1957 Volkswagen Bug.
Oh, is it? Right here, close to me.
Show us your car. Show us your car. Can we see your car?
Tell him about it.
Awesome. That's an awesome car. That's a beautiful car. Are you driving the car?
Oh, that one. The better one?
Drive the car. Drive the car.
There we go.
Awesome.
He's enjoying himself there.
That's awesome.
Nice.
Sweet, dude.
Hold the wheel. There you go. Awesome. Awesome.
This old boy's been out here all day looking at this car. This is probably the 12th time he's come out to check it out. He comes back about every hour, about every half hour or so, and checks it all out, eyeballs it, gets down on the ground, looks everything over real good. And he's checking out Frankie. He does the same thing to both of them. He comes through and just really He checks them all out just as carefully as he can. It's awesome. Still looking at him. And now he's going to wander on back down to his rig, and he'll be back in a half hour and do it again. It's amazing. He will, yeah.
He will be back in a half hour.
That's amazing.
I do all the time.
Yeah.
Well, you don't touch.